Hope everybody's having a good morning. We're having a good morning here in the Cove. We're getting a little bit of rain, which is mighty nice. I just wanted to show y'all the little system that I have set up for the rainwater collection. What I did was I took some pipe, PVC pipe, and then I cut a channel in it. I tried to cut this channel with a table saw, doing 2 cuts with a table saw, and it just didn't work. So I ended up using a jigsaw and just went the length of it with a jigsaw, and that worked fairly well. And what I did was I assembled that up here. You can see it on the top, and it goes the whole length, and I've got 3 couplings in here because I had 10-foot sections of pipe. And I've got one collection site here where it angles down with an elbow and another elbow, and then goes into our container. And here it is, dripping into the container. I'm gonna put a filter sort of thing on here, and also I have to do an overflow so that when it gets full, it's gonna overflow to the side. I was gonna put this on blocks, but then I built this little bracket that holds it up, and it's gonna be about 500 pounds of water when it's full. So 500 pounds is a lot of weight, and I'm probably going to put a 6x6 out on this front side to help support it, and then put it on a block in the bottom. So that way, but this is our little system, and it's starting to collect its first water, first rain that we've had. And the reason we did this was because, if you can see, and let me see if I can do this, see behind me is our garden. So we're putting the garden in, and these two, I'm gonna have a water tank on the other side too, and these 2 water tanks will supply the water for the garden down below, and a couple of fruit trees right here. We have 3 apple trees along the edge. So that's what we got. Hope y'all enjoyed the little tour of water in the garden. Take care. Have a good morning.